Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Arleathia, and this is Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. Yay! So when you have these patterns that have multiple sizes in it and you want to keep your pattern original tags and unhung, this is what you do. You trace. This is one method you can use to keep your original in good shape without destroying your original pattern. But this is the way that I'm going to do this particular pattern now, because it'll be so quickly done because of the two pieces. And after I've traced them, I can do a single layer and trace out my pattern pieces. I'm going to use tissue paper between the layers of fabric to keep it set straight and correctly, and the job should be easier to work with this type of fabric. It's beautiful fabric, but it's so sheer and thin. And the pattern still remains in full original tact. So now I have traced my pattern. I have placed the markings on the pattern, and I'm cutting. And here is the original pattern still intact.